Good morning, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Now let us start this chapter. That is
Good afternoon, ma'am.
yes. Good afternoon. We had completed the objective question answer of chapter 16. All of you have noted down yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then come to question number E1. Answer the following questions. E1. How is increase in population responsible for shortage of water? Please, page number 239. How is increase in population responsible for shortage of water? 239. You come to scarcity of water topic. With increase in population, demand for water has increased, whereas its resources have depleted. This causes a shortage or scarcity of water. With increase in population,
Ma'am,
demand.
please
Yes.
repeat this one.
Yes, I am repeating. Page number 239, E1 answer. With increase in population, come to the topic scarcity of water. Last line, second last line. With increase in population, demand for water has increased, whereas its resources have depleted. This causes a shortage or scarcity of water. Got it? All of you have marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next question, that is E2. Discuss in brief how rainwater harvesting can be done. Page number 240. Page number 240. Rainwater harvesting, this is the topic over there. Rainwater should be collected in underground tanks and allowed to seep through the soil. This will replenish the groundwater. Rainwater can also be collected in open tanks and used for daily needs. Till there. Then next question. Mark this question E2. E2 सब लोग mark कर लिए?
Yes, ma'am. From
Yes,
rainwater to daily
ma'am.
needs.
Daily needs. Rainwater should be collected in underground tanks and allowed to seep through the soil. This will replenish the groundwater. Rainwater can also be collected in daily needs. Next, discuss any two causes that lead to a decrease in groundwater level. 239 page number. Discuss any two causes that lead to decrease in groundwater level. 239. Page number 239, scarcity of water topic. Second paragraph. The amount of rainfall in most regions has decreased due to deforestation, increase in construction activity, increase in number of vehicles and industries. The amount of rainfall decreases the farmers depend more on groundwater for irrigation.
Ma'am, repeat the last line.
The amount of rainfall decreases. Farmers depend more on groundwater for irrigation.
मैम E3 इतना ही है।
2 कॉज आपको देना है। तो फर्स्ट कॉज में discuss any 2 causes that lead to decrease in groundwater level. तो first cause आपका हो जाएगा amount of rainfall वाला, उसमें deforestation वाला जो line लिखा है, the amount of rainfall in most regions has decreased due to deforestation, increase in construction activity, increase in number of vehicles and industries. और दूसरा point हो जाएगा the amount of rainfall decreases, farmers depend more on groundwater for irrigation. Irrigation, and then add this line also. So level of groundwater is constantly decreasing. यहाँ तक आप लिखिए इसमें E3 में. Hence you cut down. देखो point number 1, I am repeating again. The amount of rainfall in most regions has decreased due to deforestation, increase in construction activity, increase in number of vehicles and industries. This is the first point. Second point, the amount of rainfall decreases. Farmers depend more on groundwater for irrigation. So the level of groundwater is constantly decreasing. यहाँ तक आप लोग लिखिए, लेकिन 2 पॉइंट में लिखना है, पैराग्राफ में नहीं लिखना है. You just write in 2 points. How can better management of water resources help in conservation of water? 139. Water management. Better management of water resources can help in conserving water. The rainwater should not be allowed to flow into drains. Then again come to the same, जो आंसर आप लोग रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का लिखे हो ना, उसको रिपीट करना है इसमें, और पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखकर यहाँ तक लिखना है, वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर तक इसमें. दिस विल बी E4. देखो एक बार हम रीड कर देते हैं. यू जस्ट मार्क इट. बेटर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज कैन हेल्प इन कंजर्विंग वाटर. द रेन वाटर शुड नॉट बी अलाउड टू फ्लो इन ड्रेन्स. Rainwater should be collected in underground tanks and allowed to seep through the soil. This will replenish the groundwater. Rainwater can also be collected in open tanks and used for daily needs. This is called rainwater harvesting. इसको आप कट कर दीजिए. Use of sprinklers and drip irrigation technique for irrigating the crop can help in reducing wastage of water. Till there. Then next one, write in brief about the basic details and the role of sewerage system. Wastewater management, come to that topic. Rainwater which runs down the road and rooftop also becomes a part of wastewater. This is something that needs to be avoided. We should try to harvest rainwater and not allow it to go waste. Just a network of pipe brings clean water to our homes. A network of pipe take the waste or sewage away. This network of pipe is called the sewerage system. It carries the sewage from its source to wastewater treatment plant.
Groundwater, rainwater harvesting, scarcity of water.
मैम कौन सा लाइन?
कौन सा लाइन ही बोल रहे हैं हम,
Please
आपको
repeat
बता
this
रहे हैं
one.
पूरा पैराग्राफ. Yes, yes.
मैम ट्रीटमेंट प्लान तक ना, मैम ट्रीटमेंट प्लान तक ना.
Wait a minute. You will write from here. Rainwater which runs down the roads and rooftop also becomes a part of wastewater. This is something that needs to be avoided. We should try to harvest rainwater and not allow it to go waste. Just as a network of pipes bring clean water to our home, a network of pipe takes the waste water or sewage away. This network of pipe is called the sewerage system. Till there. Till sewerage system you will write. Then 8 point आपका E4 आंसर का E4 आप लोग लिखे हो ना यहाँ तक reducing wastage of water. This यहाँ तक लिखने के बाद 8 point आप लोग यहाँ से भी लिखो सीवरेज के नीचे से. The waste water is cleaned and purified by various processes as these treatment plants. The water thus treated and cleaned is allowed to mix with river water or sea water. ये point भी आपको क्या होगा waste water का better management को show करता है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ लिखने के बाद reducing waste water the to sea water. हाँ तो ये किस में ऐड करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर E4 में.
E4.
ठीक है. किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
हम एक बार और बता देते हैं E4 का आंसर. E4 का आंसर आप लोग शुरू करोगे बेटर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज 239 से और ये कंप्लीट पैराग्राफ नेक्स्ट पेज का लिखना है जिसमें कि ये लाइन कट करना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. वो लाइन को कट कर दो. बाकी कंप्लीट पैराग्राफ लिखना है वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर एंड देन the next point लिखना है. You write it in a paragraph way only, not point wise. The waste water is cleaned and purified by various processes as these treatment plants. The water thus treated and cleaned is then allowed to mix with river or sea water. यहाँ तक लिखना है E4 में. Question number E4 and E5 you have to start from rain water which runs down the road and rooftop से लेकर सीवरेज सिस्टम तक till सीवरेज सिस्टम. Okay. Then come to question number ये value based. Here anybody is having any problem? कुछ problem है जो discuss करना है आप लोगों को?
Ma'am.
क्वेश्चन में कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपको नहीं मार्क कर पाए हो?
Ma'am, E5 or repeat this one.
E5.
Yes, ma'am.
पेज नंबर 240 निकालिए. Rain water which runs down the road and rooftop becomes a part of wastewater. This is something that need to be avoided. We should try to harvest rain water. या इसको तुम लोग हटा दो इस आंसर से. Don't write this. ये this is not of use. You write in E5 just as a network of pipe bring clean water to our home, a network of pipes takes the waste water or sewage away. This network of pipes is called sewerage system. Till here. उसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't write.
Ma'am,
Clear?
which line we will write?
You will start from page number 241, question number E5. Just as a network of pipe brings clean water to our home, a network of pipe takes the waste water or sewage away. This network of pipe is called sewerage system. You have to only describe about sewerage system. ठीक है? और कोई question? Any other?
Ma'am,
No,
please
ma'am.
repeat
Ma'am,
E1 and
E1.
yes, ma'am. और E2 भी.
ठीक है. Page number
Ma'am,
239
E4 भी.
Okay, I am just repeating again. एक बार मैं सारा बोल देती हूँ. How is increase in population responsible for shortage of water? 239 page number निकालिए. Scarcity of water है topic. उसका second last line. With increase in population, demand for water has increased, whereas its resources has depleted. This causes a shortage or scarcity of water. This is E1. Then come to E2. Discuss in brief how rainwater harvesting can be done. Page number 240. Rainwater should be collected in underground tanks and allowed to seep through the soil. This will replenish the groundwater. Rainwater can also be collected in open tanks and used for daily needs. E2. ये E2 का आंसर हुआ. Then discuss any two causes that lead to decrease in groundwater level. Page number 239. Again, scarcity of water topic. The amount of rainfall in most regions has decreased due to deforestation, increase in construction activity, increase in number of vehicles and industries. This is the first point of that answer. Second point, the amount of rainfall decreases. Farmers depend more on groundwater for irrigation. So the level of groundwater is constantly decreasing. This is E3. Answer number E3. Then E4.
E3 repeat कीजिए ना.
Now
E3
stop
ma'am repeat.
disturbing us. I'm talking also. How can better management of water resources help in conservation of soil? Page number 239. Better management of water resources can help in conserving water. The rainwater should not be allowed to flow into drains. Rainwater should be collected in underground tanks and allowed to seep through the soil. This will replenish the groundwater. Rainwater can also be collected in open tanks and used for daily needs. Use of sprinklers and drip irrigation technique for irrigating the crop can help in reducing wastage of water. Then next point of this answer on page number 241. The wastewater is cleaned and purified by various processes as these treatment plants. The water thus treated and cleaned is then allowed to mix with river or seawater. Then come to E5. Write in brief about the basic details and the role of sewerage system. Just as the network of pipe brings clean water to our home, a network of pipe takes the wastewater or sewage away. This network of pipe is called sewerage system. एक लाइन और ऐड कर दो उसमें. It carries the sewage from its source to wastewater treatment plant. यहाँ तक लिख लो. ये लाइन भी ऐड कर दीजिए इस आंसर में. It carries the sewage from its source to a wastewater treatment plant. Now it is okay? कि किसी को और कोई दिक्कत है? Do you have any problem?
Ma'am D ma'am.
No, मैम E5 का कहाँ से करना है? 240
Just as the network से लेकर वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट तक पेज नंबर 241 में.
Ma'am D.
डी बता रहे हैं, पहले अभी ई खत्म कर लेते हैं. E5 का आंसर है जस्ट एज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ पाइप से लेकर वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. ठीक है. अब ई में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना है किसी नंबर में, कोई भी क्वेश्चन नंबर में?
नो मैम, नो मैम.
चलिए तब हम लोग डी, तुम लोग बोल रहे हो तो डी को भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं एक बार. नेम द 3 फॉर्म्स इन विच वाटर एग्जिस्ट ऑन अर्थ. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid example ice, liquid water and gas water vapor. ठीक है. Then next D2. Give the meaning of the term water table. 242 में आइए कीवर्ड the top level of the groundwater is called water table. The top level of groundwater is called water table. Name two methods of drawing out groundwater: wells and hand pumps. Wells, tube wells and hand pump, anything you can write. Name two activities which lead to the formation of sewage: washing, bathing. State any two precautions that can help avoid the choking of drains. Page number 241. Right to, page number 241. Second point. Do not throw solids like leftover food, leaves, cotton, polythene bags, etc. in the drains. These can choke the drains. Do not throw cooking oil in the drain. It hardens and blocks the pipes of the sewerage system. हो गया? और किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर में दिक्कत है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then have you studied chapter number 4? सब लोग पढ़ के आए हो? Chapter number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके चलिए तो हम लोग उसको थोड़ा रिवाइज करते हैं. रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 4. First of all, children, this chapter we studied in the previous term only. वहीं पर हम लोग पढ़ लिए थे चैप्टर नंबर 4. हम लोग इसको एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करें because it is a important chapter of this term. So what we have studied? What is the topic? Acid, bases and salt.
Salts.
Yes, acid, bases and salt. Children, we know that what are acid? What is the quality or criteria to be called as acid? Acid किसको बोलते हैं? पहले उसका
Which
property
tasted
जानते हैं.
sour. Sour.
Reacts with base and releases H+.
The substances or materials which are sour in taste due to presence of chemicals are known as acids. And other materials which are bitter in taste, they are known as, that is also due to presence of chemicals, and they are known as base. Then what are salt? When acid and base combine, then salt is formed. Clear?
Salt.
Then
Salt in the water
yes, how
form.
many types of acids we have studied? हम लोग
Types.
acids की
Two types.
two types. Correct? Which are, name it.
Organic and
Mineral and
inorganic.
acid.
Organic and mineral. Organic and mineral acid.
Organic and mineral acid.
Organic acid and mineral acid.
Mineral acid.
Now children, by the name only you can understand this organic word. Organic means what? Which is derived
Living.
from?
Living.
Plants
What
and animals.
living?
Plants and
Plants and animals. Organic means which are derived from the
Minerals,
plants and animals,
and
the
animals.
naturally occurring materials. And what about the mineral acid? Mineral acids are derived by the
Different
minerals.
from minerals.
Present in the earth.
Now, can anybody name some of the mineral acids?
hydrochloric
Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, sulfurous
Sulfuric
acid, and phosphoric acid.
Sulfurous acid, phosphoric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, sulfurous acid, and phosphoric acid. These are the name of mineral acids. Then hydrochloric acid is a combination of hydrogen and chloride. Okay. Then its formula becomes what? its
HCl.
formula becomes
HCl, HCl,
HCl.
HCl,
HCl.
HCl,
HCl.
HCl,
HCl.
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 HCl. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4.
4.
NO,
HNO3.
3.
HNO3.
HNO3.
आपका एग्जाम्पल है आप लोग का सल्फ्यूरस एसिड H2SO3
H2SO3.
SO3.
H2SO3. H2SO3.
PO4.
H3PO4. H3PO4.
H3PO4.
How
H3PO4.
these chemicals acid, how we are writing the chemical formula of this acid, that you understand? ये समझते
By
हो आप
their
लोग?
composition.
Yes, ma'am.
केमिकल फॉर्मूला का जो सिस्टम हम लोग सीखे थे चैप्टर 3 में, वो याद है आप लोग को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
वो क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव आयन और एक नेगेटिव आयन को लेते हैं, क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड से उसके वैलेंसी को क्रिस क्रॉस करते हैं और तब हमको वो कंपाउंड मिलता है, ठीक है? तो इन दैट वे इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड लाइक दैट. अब हम लोग अभी पढ़ेंगे एग्जाम्पल ऑफ, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मिनरल एसिड्स. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ organic acid. What are the examples of organic acid? First of all,
Oxalic
it
acid,
is
Acidic acid.
tartaric acid,
Formic acid.
acetic acid, acetic acid.
oxalic acid,
Formic acid.
tartaric acid, lactic acid,
Nitric acid.
formic acid.
Tartaric acid.
All are the
Oxalic
example of
acid.
different types of organic acids. Then, one thing you all tell, how can we differentiate between a dilute acid and a concentrated acid? ये differentiation कैसे हो सकता है?
By
Concentrated
concentrated
more
acid, the
amount
water
of
concentration.
water is known as
By checking
diluted
their water
acid, and if it
concentration.
is less
Large amount of
amount
water.
of water is dissolved in it.
By checking water
Clearly you
concentration.
can speak. One student speak.
By checking the water concentration.
By checking the water concentration.
If the amount of water is more and the acid is less, then that is known as dilute acid.
Dilute.
Dilute
And
acid.
if the amount of acid is more and water is
And water
less,
is less.
that is
Concentrated acid.
concentrated.
Concentrated acid.
Differentiation है ना आप लोग के पास?
Concentrated acid.
Yes? Okay. Then, which acid is known as king of chemicals?
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Now there is one question that whom do we call as alkalis? Alkalis किसको बोलते हैं?
Bases are which soluble in water is called
Bases
alkalis.
which are soluble in water is called alkalis.
Yes, the
Bases which are
bases
soluble in water is known as
Water are
alkalis.
called
in
alkalis.
water, they are known as alkalis. Bases which are soluble in water, they are known as alkalis. Now, अब आप लोग ये भी जान लो कि एसिड और बेस या एसिड में ही मिनरल एसिड इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, बट ऑर्गेनिक एसिड इज ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स आर व्हाट? वीक एसिड, कमजोर एसिड में माना जाता है, लेकिन मिनरल एसिड्स दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स. Then can anybody give the names of few alkalis? Alkalis का नाम आप लोग बोल सकते हो?
Sodium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide.
Hydroxide, potassium hydroxide.
Potassium
Sodium
hydroxide.
hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide,
Hydroxide.
potassium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
These all are your bases because they are alkalis because they are soluble in.
Water.
Then comes your indicator. The topic is indicator. What is an indicator?
Indicator is a substance
which
that show
shows
different
the colors of basic and
Which shows different
base and
colors in a
acid is
basic
called.
medium and basic medium.
Yes, the indicator is a substance which shows different colors in an acidic and basic medium. So there are some natural indicators also, and there are some chemical indicators also. आपको like if we are preparing in the laboratory or testing in the laboratory, that is it a acidic medium or basic medium, then which indicator do we use?
Litmus paper.
Phenolphthalein.
Phenolphthalein है,
Methyl orange.
आपका
Methyl
litmus.
orange.
Litmus.
Yes, methyl orange and all is there. सबसे convenient method testing का है by through the litmus paper. Litmus paper is a very commonly used indicator in the laboratory. और उसके लिए जो activity हम लोग करते हैं, कौन सा activity है? That if we are taking lemon juice in a petri dish, then what will happen? It will, and dip a strip of blue litmus paper in it. The color of the litmus paper will change into red. So
Red.
this is a sure test for acidic medium. Then next one, if we are taking a soap solution in a petri dish and dip a strip of red litmus paper, then it will change into blue color.
Blue.
This is a sure test for basic medium. ये आपका basic medium का sure test. Then a commonly used indicator in our kitchen is turmeric. Turmeric एक commonly used indicator है और ये red color in basic medium होता है और remains yellow in acidic medium. China rose is also an indicator. China rose, that is hibiscus, is also an indicator, and it turns dark pink, that is magenta, when added to acid, and turns green when added to base. And this phenolphthalein is also an indicator which is colorless in acidic medium and turns pink in basic. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, I'm just revising so that you can remember, recapitulate it. That what you have studied, you can just regain that.
Yes, ma'am.
Neutralization and formation of salt. Neutralization means this neutralization reaction. It is a reaction, it is a chemical reaction between acid and base
To form salt and water.
So that component is neutralized. And there is one activity over here. You have to take 10 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid in conical flask, and you have to dilute hydrochloric acid will be what? Acidic medium, और उसमें आपको बेस डालना है और तब तक डालना है जब तक कि वो अपना कलर चेंज नहीं कर ले. So you have to add 2 drops of litmus solution. It turns red. वो रेड कलर का हो जाएगा और आपको तब उसमें बेस डालना है सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप, and keep on moving or swirling or just stirring the solution. At a certain point will come that addition of 1 drop of sodium hydroxide will change the color of that red color of the solution to blue color. So what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? कोई बताएगा?
Base dilute acid and forms salt and water.
उसमें जो एसिड था, जितना भी एसिड था हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के फॉर्म में, that has been stabilized or neutralized by the addition of this sodium hydroxide. और वो क्या हो गया? That is known as complete neutralization reaction. वहाँ रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया. ठीक है? हमारी बॉडी में भी कभी कभी एसिडिक कैरेक्टर बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है ना. हम लोग को क्या होता है, स्टमक एक होता है, अनईजीनेस होता है, तो हम लोग क्या खाते हैं? We take
Milk of
antacid.
Milk of magnesia, antacid.
Antacids are what? Antacids are the base that we are taking to stabilize the acidic character. जैसे जो गैस की दवा हम लोग लेते हैं वो बेसिक कैरेक्टर का होता है, तो हमारी बॉडी में जो जनरेट हो रहा है एसिड उसको स्टेबलाइज या न्यूट्रलाइज कर देता है, ठीक है। सो दैट यू फॉर दैट वी आर टेकिंग एंटासिड। जैसे आपको कोई रिएक्शन अगर समझना है तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एक रिएक्शन जिसमें कि आपका बेस है सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज योर एसिड। तो रिएक्शन आप लोग को याद है कि कैसे होता है, कैसे हम कंपाउंड बनाते हैं, जैसे सॉल्ट बनता है सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड plus hydrochloric acid. Now you don't know, you are not knowing to the book से आप नहीं जानते, तो आप क्या करेंगे?
मैम बोर्ड अच्छे से दिखाई नहीं
मैम फॉर्म वाटर।
तो क्या फॉर्मूला था, क्या इसका रूल था? पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयन विल कंबाइन। तो यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव कौन है? सोडियम, ये नेगेटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है हाइड्रोक्लोराइड, ये नेगेटिव। So sodium is combined with chlorine, chloride ion, and this will combine with hydrogen. So what will form? Sodium chloride plus water.
water.
And this will be here plus H2O. Now, as both of them are having one valence, so crisscross भी करेंगे, so that will be stabilized. But if the valency is different, then the valency will be crisscross. ये आप लोग का होमवर्क है पूरे जो चैप्टर में हम पढ़ाए थे पहले, उसको एक बार आप लोग रीड करके घर में देखोगे और इसको कल सीख कर आना है। We will have a total revision of this neutralization reaction tomorrow और how to form chemical formula। पहले पूरा वैलेंसी लर्न करना है चैप्टर 3 से और उसको कैसे हम लोग क्रिस क्रॉस किए थे ये सारा आप लोग को कल हम प्रैक्टिस करवाएंगे मंडे से, ठीक है। सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क। एनीथिंग मोर यू वांट टू डिस्कस? कुछ और पढ़ना है आप लोग को, पूछना है? चैप्टर 3 से आप लोग वैलेंसी लर्न करोगे, वैलेंसी याद करोगे और कैसे कंपाउंड बनता है वो याद करोगे और उसके बाद ये न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन रीड करके आओ। दिस इज योर होमवर्क टू बी डन और इसको आप लोग को कंटिन्यू करना है बिकॉज नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर सिलेबस। अब सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो गया, अब सिलेबस में कुछ नहीं पढ़ाना है आगे, तो जो पढ़ लिए हो उसको अभी बार बार हम लोग को प्रैक्टिस करना है। वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो दैट इज योर होमवर्क। और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए, इफ यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग।
मैम पीएच स्केल क्या होता है?
हाँ,
पीएच स्केल
पीएच स्केल एसिडिक और बेसिक मीडियम को के लेवल को देखते हैं हम लोग उसमें। वो अभी आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो उतना आगे क्यों जा रहे हो 9th और 10th वाले सिलेबस में। वो जब आप लोग आगे देखो सिलेबस को उतना ही आप लोग देखिए कि जिससे आप लोग को कोई बेनिफिट हो। अभी तो उससे कोई मतलब ही नहीं है पीएच स्केल से। व्हाई गोइंग इन डिटेल? अभी आप लोग के पास सफिशिएंट वर्क है इसको करने के लिए जिसमें आप लोग को प्रैक्टिस करना है। सो दैट इज एसिडिक और बेसिक मीडियम का वो लेवल है दैट स्केल डिसाइड्स। क्लियर? ठीक है, ओके।
Yes.
वी कंक्लूड देन।
Yes.
Okay,
और
ma'am.
कुछ पूछना है?
Yes, ma'am. Good, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am.
Bye bye.
मैं